Hi, my name is Joe and I'm going to tell you how Ryan Shed Plans work. I'm going to tell you how much it costs and how long it takes to build your shed. I know if you are here you want to build amazing sheds, but you don't know the step by step. If you are a beginner and dream of building sheds like a professional, stay tuned because I will take away your biggest doubts. First, I would just like to warn you that the original website is in the description of this video. As this is a very popular program, some places are taking advantage of it and selling other incomplete plans as if it was Ryan's original. Here on this page I am showing you get thousands of designs and styles of sheds. From large outbuildings and garages to small storage and garden shelters. Here you get instant access to download all 12,000 shed plans in an online members area. You will get lifetime access with no expiration date to the members page. You also have the option to get the 2 CD edition. This is a single payment. There are no recurring fees. The sheds are designed for DIY beginners with instructions so detailed that anyone can start building their first shed. It usually takes 1 day for experienced woodworkers and 3 to 5 days for beginners to build their own shed. Other important information is about cost, and this depends on the size and quality of the materials you choose. For a 10 by 8 shed, it would cost about $900 compared to buying a pre-built shed that would cost more than $3,000. For a 12 by 20 shed, it would cost $1,000 to $1,500 compared to a pre-built shed that costs about $5,000. I found it very cost-effective. You can even download a totally free sample on the official website that I left to help you in the video description. In addition, you get a special discount and 60-day trial guarantee. Ryan's Perfect Shed Plans collection is complete with 12,000 shed designs covering all types and styles, from large to small. It has a complete and accurate list of materials, Lego-style assembly instructions, and 3D CAD designed images. I hope it helped you, and to make it easier I've left the official link in the description of this video.